music in me.
And they're friends or relatives?
They're friends.
Friends? Romantic friends?
No?
No?
Nanay na nanay.
Sabi ko, oh my God, eto na yung idol ko. Ay! Nakilig ako ng slight. Slight lang naman. Slight lang ba yun?
Sa akin naman po, bigla akong kinabahan kasi to think Sir Christian, nanonood po kasi ako ng The Clash and the way si Sir Christian mag-comments or magbigay ng constructive criticism, parang, nakakatakot.
So, ang napili kong song for them ay Live In on a Prayer.
Okay, let's pray.
Na-challenge po talaga kami. Yung genre po namin ay more on ballad, tapos binigyan po kami ng rock. So parang, paano natin to gagawin?
Don't get overexcited. Kasi minsan pagka na-overexcite tayo, like, we tend to be, like pushy or dun nagkakaroon ng mga...
Lampas.
Oo.
Nirehearse ba yung tinginan nyo? O natural yun?
It's natural
Okay.
sa kanila.
It's good. Keep it that way na yun.
Yeah. So, JN, anong heels ang susuotin mo kapag hindi ka komportable sa sapatos mo?
Yeah.
It affects your overall posture, which affects your singing as well and your performance.
I didn't know that. I learned that today.
Yeah!
Nung dumating sila, rehearse na rehearse, sanay na sanay. Feel na feel mo na talagang they've been singing together for a long time. Nakita ko yung support nila sa isa't isa and trust. Sometimes, ang sarap nakadiscover ng talent na gano'n na andito kayo para sa rehearsal workshop, pero halos buo na kayo. So refinement na lang.